Hi, I'm Terry, and in this video I'm going to show you I'm now replacing my Crescent wrench with the new Knipex Plier set. Now, I do not use this. I saw it for sale and it wasn't expensive and I bought it and I just hang it on the shop wall, so I just thought I'd show you. Maybe when the zombies come. I was waiting for zombies and we got COVID instead, so this is just hanging around the shop. I have nothing to use this for, but it's interesting. So I got it. I like my tools. Put it there. So this is what I use. I've been using this for forever. And in my installation kit, in my everyday carry, I saw this. I'm very, very happy with my Knipex tools. So I thought I'd replace this Crescent wrench in my everyday carry. And it's getting heavy, but I'm trying to make it lighter. So I've replaced it with this. So let's just take a peek at what we got here. So what bugs the heck out of me on my Crescent wrench, it doesn't matter what you're doing, it always comes loose. So you're trying to use it. I put it with this my whole life. Unless you got the exact tool you're needing, but in your Locksmith case, this is what I use. And I really just I use it mostly for mailbox locks. So I'm happy with my other tools. So this is the Knipex Pliers, and it's got the little button here. Look how wide that goes. So this Crescent wrench is going in the spare kit. This is going in my everyday carry, in my tool case. So that's the Knipex. Look at that, no matter what angle it's at, it's locked in. It's not going to move on me until I push the button and move it where I want to go. So this is going to be really handy, and I'm going to show you how I use it on a mailbox lock. So this is my mailbox lock. It's got all the different tail pieces for it. So let's just put this tailpiece on there for now, just for demonstrations. Normally I usually install it first and then I put this on last. I'm trying to make this good for the camera to see. Go finger tight. Now what I can do, hold my lock. Take the key out, really. Put that on there. Put it on there just snug. You can really over tighten these, so be careful. Give it a little test. I'll lube that up. So perfect. So this tool has replaced my Crescent wrench. So this Knipex Pliers has now replaced my Crescent wrench, which for years has driven me nuts, but I didn't really have anything better. This is way better. I'll be using this every day now. And I'll have some more videos with this in action on job sites. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.